Ever wondered how much of your Facebook profile is visible to strangers? What if I told you that people you don't even know could be seeing your personal info right now? In this video, I'm going to show you how to take control of your Facebook privacy and hide your profile details from the public quick, easy, and super effective. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's lock it down. Open your Facebook application and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings once again. Then, click on this Privacy Checkup option. Click on this Who Can See What You Share option. Click on Continue. Now, let's hide these profile info including your contacts, email address, and birthday from the public. As you can see, mine is set to only me. This means that no one can see my contact on Facebook. And also no one can know when is my birthday on Facebook. And my email address as well. So, to hide these profile info from the public, one after the other, click on this arrow, then tap on this Only Me option. Then click on Save, to hide your phone number from public on Facebook. Then tap on this arrow to go back. Then do same for your email address. Tap on the arrow, then set it to Only Me. And click on Save. Use the same process to set your birthday info to the Only Me option to hide your birthday info from public on Facebook. You can scroll down and hide the remaining profile info from the public if you don't want to share. And also, you can tap on this next option and do the same settings on it to protect your privacy on the Facebook app. Doing this simple settings will save you from strangers and scammers. So, make sure to do it as soon as possible. Having watching the video to the end, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.